It began with a welfare concern that led to a grim discovery. A woman, 58, found lifeless in her own home on a Sunday afternoon. Her death sent shockwaves through Southwark. Police launched a murder investigation, and a man was swiftly charged. This is a verified story of who Julie Wilson was, what happened to her, how the investigation unfolded, and why the motive remains a central question in the pursuit of justice. If you were in North Walworth on 14 December 2025 and saw anything unusual, please come forward. Your information could make the difference. Julie Wilson was 58 years old and lived in North Walworth, Southwark, a community in southeast London. Local reporting described her as a resident whose sudden death deeply affected her neighbours, friends and family. She was found at a residence on Rodney Road where she had been living. Although full biographical details, career, family statements have not been widely published as of now, police support officers have been working with her family following the discovery of her body, indicating the significant emotional impact her loss has had on loved ones and the local community. On 14 December 2025, at approximately 2:23 pm, officers from the Metropolitan Police were called to a property on Rodney Road in North Walworth, following concerns raised about Julie Wilson's welfare. Upon entering the residence, officers found Julie Wilson deceased. A post-mortem examination and forensic work are standard following such discoveries, and given the subsequent murder charge, detectives concluded that her death was suspicious rather than natural or accidental. Her family had been supported by specialist officers throughout the early phase of the investigation. Within days of the discovery, police progressed a murder investigation. On 17 December 2025, 53-year-old James Flanagan of Stead Street, North Walworth, was arrested at the scene and charged with Julie Wilson's murder. Flanagan appeared before Croydon Magistrates Court shortly after he was charged. At this early stage of the legal process, he was remanded in custody and is due to appear next at the Old Bailey, Central Criminal Court, where he will face the Crown Prosecution Service's formal allegation. For now, Julie's death stands as a tragic loss, and her family's grief is supported by law enforcement, while the wheels of justice begin to turn. If you have specific information, no matter how small, that could aid detectives, please reach out to the Metropolitan Police. Your cooperation can bring clarity and move this case closer to closure.